Hey guys, so I don't even know if I'll post this because it's kind of off topic with where I've been going lately, and I really like the mail to relate, even though I know that's not possible because of the things I order, because of my mind. But in the mail today, I got two things from Amazon. I got my new order of a resin, which I desperately need, and I wanted to share this one with you because it's the first time I've ever bought it, and I've never seen anything like it, and it's just going, I shouldn't even be telling people this secret, but I'm going to share this secret against my own judgment. Because I'm so unlucky. Watch, somebody else will use it as an idea and they'll become rich and famous, and I'm going to be sitting here making YouTube videos. But that's okay, I don't mind doing this. Sorry, that's really right. I have my tablet. I'm going to pull up my Amazon shopping log, or my history, I guess you would say, for what I've purchased lately, because I do want you guys to know the name of the merchant, and I did not look it up before, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now if you don't mind. Here it is. It's called, I have the actual thing with me now. It's not going to look like much to you. This looks like a packet of white powder, like, oh my gosh, you're showing me cocaine. This is not cocaine, okay? I definitely would not be holding it, and I definitely would not be doing it for the whole world to see. I assure you, it's not drugs. I know it's in a baggie, but this is how it comes. And the company's called Art and Glow. I'll let you guys see the Art and Glow. And this is called, this color, even though it looks like not much, right? It is called Neutral Aqua Glow powder. This is literally what it looks like. So now that I do resin paintings, it gives me the ability to put a variety of objects inside of my painting. Within reason, there are chemical imbalances with quite a few things, actually. You can't just toss in oil paint, for instance. You can't, there's like crackle, anything like effect kind of stuff. It will often have a negative effect on your painting, and your painting will never dry. Like, I have one that never dried. I've had it for 2 years. It's still not dry. It's awful. So you can ruin it easily if you, that's why you should practice trial and error in like small silicone trays, something that you can pop out, toss away if it doesn't work. I did trial and error. Look at that. That definitely, I don't know what you're, no, that definitely, that had the Zika virus. I'm certain of it. You're welcome, America. Look at me saving the country one skeeter at a time. So anyways, as I was saying, I learned the hard way when it came to trial and error, because I don't like that. I'm a bit super duper impatient. I don't know if you know that about me. I'm super impatient, but I also take so long to do things, which is like really contradictory, but hey, that's me. But this is going to be a trial and error in a sense. I have used a similar compound that is a fine powder, but so fine yet glassy that it's almost like sand, kind of, you know. I've used crushed pearls, crushed abalone powders. I've used all sorts of powders made from different things, and this is a powder consistency, so it does have some instructions on the front. It says it's a cheat sheet, but it says refer your friends and earn 10% of their purchases. Hey, what's up? Thanks, Art and Glow. So yeah, you go buy this, okay? And after I show you what it does, you're going to. Now, I bought it because I was hoping it was going to do what it said it was going to do on the website, which was that it glows in the dark, okay? Now, if you ever have done resin paintings and you've tried to do a glow in the dark resin piece, there's probably a good chance that it did not really glow. If you put in a black light, yeah, it glowed, right? But when you turned off all the lights in a room with no black lights and it just turned them off, did it glow? Probably not. There's something in the nonylphenylalkylamine But anyways, I think there's something in that causes, either it for it to go right or for it to go very wrong. I think it also masks a lot of, somebody who knows science, tell everyone about this. Go Google Bill Nye. He's my everything. I love Bill Nye. So I think that there's something that like a reverse catalyst thing that happens when chemicals in the nonylphenolalkylamine it is found, blocks whatever it is that is the fluorescent active agent in glow paint. So what I'm saying is, since I took the long way with that, is when you use glow-in-the-dark paints or neon paints and you're trying to make a glow-in-the-dark piece with resin, it often does not work. To no avail, I have kept looking. And Art and Glow, and see, this is actually the name of the company for real. It's really called Art and Glow for artists and creators. Let's see, and this color is called Aqua Neutral. This is the color. So it just showed up. It's still in stock. They do have 4.5 stars out of 703 reviews, which is another reason I went with them. And I ordered 12 grams. Also sounds like drugs, not drugs. Art and Glow, and it shows all these cool pictures where it's like, you can make this, I'm gonna turn the brightness down, cool moon, and they're like, oh, it's gonna glow, it'll glow that color when it's done. And I'm like, y'all lying. I'm willing to bet $6 you're lying, and if you're not lying, I'm excited. So the second I came home, saw the box, I opened it up. Now, okay, before I put it on the light, okay, ooh, I have a flashlight. I can't be flashing at my neighbors. It is the middle of the night, okay. Powder, flashlight. When we're done, turn off the flashlight and you'll see it. See how it's not glowing? It's like kind of whitish, but it's not really glowing. Okay, check this out. I'm so excited. I'll keep insight so you guys can see that I'm not switching it out for anything else. Okay. I'm super jazzed to show you guys, but I know I shouldn't be sharing this obvious top secret. I mean, 700 reviews. This thing should have 1 million reviews. There's 7 billion people on the planet. I think at least 1 million people would think this is super neat. I'm checking it. I don't know why I'm checking it. I can't see anything. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna turn off the light on the camera front first. Ooh. Okay, that's off. Sorry it's dark, guys, but it's part of the show. Oh, look at that. Isn't that incredible? It looks like its own little painting. I'm just mesmerized. It looks like a phone screen. I think I just made a new phone screen idea. I'm a freaking genius. Now I can't upload this to YouTube until I patent the idea. In which case, you probably already know about it. Turn around your phone. Yeah, it's there, isn't it? Talking to future. All right. Oh my God. I think that is just the coolest thing I think I've ever seen. Okay, to prove that it makes it brighter, we're going to hold a part of it to it and I'll slide it. So this is obviously the part that's getting light. Put my finger there so we know one side's one side. Noticeably glower, you know what I'm saying? Brighter. Yeah, you can see the actual circle from the flashlight itself. Oh. When I die, can somebody figure out how to make my ashes look like this? And then I want to be like, I don't know. Oh, can you someone just bury me with it? Actually, you don't have to do nothing with my ashes. Just bury me with it. This is like an OCD kid's dream. There is the front, in case you guys don't believe me. There is no magic light. Okay. Is that proof enough? looks like regular white when it's in the light, right? Until you turn off all the lizards. That is so crazy. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. I just wanted to share it. I haven't even opened it. I just thought it was so cool. I had to show somebody. So needless to say, I'm buying every single one of these. I'm so excited. If you want, guys, go ahead, subscribe, like, comment. If you have a question, I'm more than willing to answer. I'll see you guys later. It's been Desi, and it's been a disaster not hanging out with you more. You know? Good night, you guys. It's been a pleasure. Oh, and by the way, don't forget that when you're sad, things like, oh my gosh, this is going to be so perfect, like this exist in the world. What a great, this is science. Bill. Be still, my billing heart.